Welcome the our channel. Today we how to backup Backblaze B2 from VPS using rclone config. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your VPS has rclone installed. If you haven't installed rclone yet, access your VPS terminal. Use the command to download and install rclone, curl https://rclone.org/install.sh sudo bash. After installation, confirm it's working by typing rclone version. Now, you'll need your Backblaze B2 account credentials. Log into your Backblaze B2 account and navigate to the App Keys section. Create a new application key for secure access. Take note of your key ID and application key. Next, you'll configure rclone to link to your Backblaze B2 storage. In the terminal, start the rclone configuration by typing rclone config. You'll see several options. Choose N4 a new remote. When prompted, name your remote. You can use any name, such as Backblaze. Select the storage type by entering the number corresponding to Backblaze B2. Now, input your key ID when asked for it. Enter your application key in the next prompt. For the endpoint, you can use US West 001 or the appropriate region for your bucket. Next, rclone will ask to skip this step. Type Y to confirm and proceed. Now, input the name of the bucket you want to back up to. After completing the setup, you'll be given the option to test the configuration. Choose Y to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, exit rclone's configuration utility. To perform your backup, you will use the rclone sync command. The syntax for the command is rclone sync /path/ to /your/files Backblaze a bucket name. Replace /path/ to /your/files with the actual path to your data. Replace bucket name with the name of your Backblaze B2 bucket. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.